He awoke to a world drained of color, lit a smoke and drank his coffee dry. He walked out into the day, pulled up his collar. The rain fell in sheets from the sky. The chandelier hangs like tears from the ceiling, above the table gleaming in the living room. Alone by the phone, she wrings her hand, she prays that her husband will maybe be home soon. And the rain falls on the strip joints and the steeple. The radio plays all the lonely people. The rain falls, water finds its way, saturate and sanctify, wash our sins away. She sees her husband off to work, drops the children off to school, spends all her days swimming in the infinity pool. He packs the hybrid by his nameplate in the allocated car park, spends all his days swimming with sharks. The rain falls on the strip joints and the steeple. The radio plays all the lonely people. Rain falls, water finds its way, saturate and sanctify, wash our sins away. The early morning car park on any given Sunday, all trashed with tales of tragedy, looks like Beirut on a bad day. The elements in collusion sluice the stench away. The air smells of redemption and the promise of a new day. Rainfall on the strip joints in the steeple. The radio plays all the lonely people. Rain falls, water finds its way, saturate and sanctify, wash our sins away, wash our sins away, wash our sins away.
I'm out here in the bass room.